Right now we're having a big problem, you know, the sound is not captured by the audio device. So we're going to try to do something real funny. See if you can actually catch real sound.
Yeah, I think I point a bit further. Because I think when you swing, all the wind.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. He tried to catch it, but we still couldn't quite get the accurate sound. So Sylvester going to try standing a little bit further because he thinks that it could be because of the wind. Let's try it out.
Recording.
Have you seen it? It's amazing, isn't it? So this is the slicing shot. You know, what's so amazing about the slicing shot is that you can slice it from the forehand, the overhead, inwards, outwards, slicing smash, slicing drop shot, and the list goes on. It's amazing. There are so many things you can do with this technique, and the best part of it is that it's not too difficult to do once you have learned it. So a quick disclaimer, slicing the shuttle would damage the shuttle as well as snap your string a lot quicker. So the harder you slice and the more frequently you slice would affect the damage basically. So slice at your own risk. Okay, anyways, back to this point. When professionals play, they generally do not slice as hard as what was shown in the demonstration, but because I wanted you guys to really see its effect, that's why I sliced really hard so that you can see the difference, the slow down effect. So it's a great skill, and let's get on to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the contact point. When you're trying to slice the shuttle, it's all about the wrist. So before you approach the shuttle, you need to generate force sideways. And when you generate force sideways, that would create that slicing effect. So the harder you slice sideways, the more the slice. So once you understand this fundamental technique, then you realize you can slice it in any direction, pretty much. So there is the forehand outward slice, forehand inward slice. Then similarly there is the overhead inward slice, overhead outward slice. So there you have it, the slice shot. I know this isn't a long tutorial because it really isn't. The slice shot is not too difficult to learn once you understand how it works. All you have to do is just understand the theory behind it and practice lots and lots and lots of times. So with more practice, eventually you'll get it. You'll get the contact point. And yeah, you'll be slicing all your way through your games. So when you slice, some of the good ways that people like to do is generally drop shot, and then there's also the smashing, like they slice and smash at the same time as a variation and as a form of deception. Something like that. So wait a minute. I haven't talked about the smash, haven't I? Should I? Maybe I should. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.